Hello and welcome back to yoga. We had a special request today to take care of the feet and the ankles. So I'm going to walk you through a little sequence that can be beneficial. If you'd like, roll out your yoga mat. Be sure to always honor your body. Do only what feels right to you. Let's make our way to a tabletop. Hands under our shoulders, knees under our hips. Firmly plant your hands, spread your fingers. You're going to curl your toes. When your toes are curled under, it's a deep stretch in your feet. And to go even deeper, we're going to send our tush to our heels. Rest the belly on the thighs. Forehead to the mat, walking your fingertips out to elongate your spine. Your attention is on your breath. Feel your lungs expanding and contracting, nourishing your entire body with that vital oxygen. I also recommend you go to the location within the body where you feel the most sensation. Breathe into that location. For me, it's my feet. Using my imagination to breathe into my feet, to help them stretch and relax. Slowly make your way back to your tabletop. Keep your toes curled under. Firmly plant your hands, spread your fingers. We're going to do a little movement. The tush goes towards your heels, and then you move your weight over your hands, sliding back and forward, back and forward. Back to your tabletop. You're going to stretch your right leg back. Curl the right toes under. Your left knee is still under your left hip. Your hands are still firmly planted, fingers spread, distributing your weight into your fingertips to protect your wrists. Then you push back into your right heel and move your weight over your hands, sliding back and forward, back and forward. Back to your tabletop, switch sides, stretching your left leg back, curl the left toes under. Your right knee is under your right hip. Your hands are still firmly planted, fingers spread. Push back into that left heel and move your weight over your hands, sliding back and forward. Back to your tabletop with your toes curled under. Tush to your heels, belly to your thighs, forehead to the mat, walking your fingertips out to elongate your spine. Focusing on your breath, in and out through the nose to the count of 6 in both directions. Slowly make your way Back to your tabletop and then join me in a comfortable seated position, whatever that looks like for you. Because we had a special request to take care of the ankles in the feet, we stayed low to the ground, doing a tabletop sequence, a seated sequence, and a reclined sequence. We also did a self-guided and directed ankle and foot massage and a classic relaxation pose with a contemplation meditation. If you'd like the complete 1-hour offering from today, make your way to theguestbungalow.com and enter the live stream room. We'd love to have your company and your support. We do hope to see you on the mat. Wishing you a beautiful rest of your day, a lovely summer, and please be safe for the 4th of July holiday. Namaste. And this was your sneak peek into the live stream room at theguestbungalow.com. Don't forget to stretch. Enjoy yoga for the feet and ankles. Live stream class number 167. For ongoing inspiration, follow us across social media. We're open 24/7. Visit and stay for as long as you'd like. All yoga classes are dedicated to Adi Yogi, the first yogi to present over 15,000 years ago in the Himalayan mountains. Endless gratitude extends to the lineage of yoga teachers that passed along this invaluable information down to us.